thank you very much for tuning in on Slikhaar TV. Today's a special day, not only because we are cutting our cameraman Arno, who hasn't had a haircut in a few months, you can probably tell, but it's a special day because we have Mette, our new hairdresser, on the channel. So please give her a warm welcome. Mette, what are we going to do with Arno's hair today? We're going to cut him short on the sides and then some messy hair on the top. I'm looking very much forward to see it because it's gonna be a big change. Alright guys, stay tuned. So here we have him, a brand new man.
Yes.
How do you find your new haircut?
I really like it. I mean, short hair for summer, it's super good, and she did a super great job. I'm super happy with it, so
that's good.
No words.
Mette, can you do a recap? What is the lengths?
Yeah, I made a 9mm on the sides with a little taper fade, starting in 3mm by the sideburns and in the neck, and then around 5 to 6 centimeters on the top.
And very nice to see the look with the new fiber paste.
Yeah.
It gives a little bit natural shine to it. It has more glow than the other hair products we have in the by Vilain line. And what I like with it, it's very good to create some texture with you know, a little bit of shine, and also it has the pliable and flexible styling ability. Alright guys, if you want a chance to win some by Vilain hair products, please comment in the comment section down below, and remember to hit the like button, remember to share the video with your friends, and also subscribe.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever never slow up, no I don't take sh*t. I got no